Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Kawthar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر. Hamza is very sharp sound. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. E, very sharp. The sound starts and ends there and then. In, Hamza is sharp. For kasra, give E sound, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Inna, and this is mad munfasil jais, so make it 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and it should be from your throat. Ta is heavy letter. For heavy letter, you are lifting your tongue up. Your last part of your tongue should be lifted up, but you're not circling your lips at all. If you will circle your lips, the waw will come in because the circling of lips is the makhraj of waw. So don't ever circle your lips for any heavy letter, but just lift your tongue up to make any letter heavy. Pa, pa, pai, and this is lean, harf lean. Whenever there's ya or waw with sukoon and sukoon, this is sukoon, okay? And there is fatha before it. So these are the two huruf lean, waw lean and ya lean. And these are the letters which will be 2 counts long and which will be soft. Both are soft and 2 counts long. Qai. So when we are making it soft, it is automatically long, 2 counts long. Qai na. This is 2 counts long because this is mad asli. This is complete alif. When there is standing fatha, it is complete alif. Just like you are treating alif when it is written, look, it can be written like this too. Na. So this standing fatha is just like this alif. Na, na, kal. For fatha, open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You are not stopping the sound abruptly, but you are letting it go little. Kal, cow. This is again, look, this is lean. Wow, sakina. Wow, sakina, and there is fatha before it. And this is making it wow lean. And lean means to make it soft and make it 2 counts long. And keep kaf light. Because the kaf is among light letters. Cow, cow. For fatha, open jaws, attach with raw. Raw will be heavy here because you are giving, yes, because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon on raw, and raw will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Thar. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. F, give hams in fa. Hams means the flow of breath. F. For fatha, open your jaws. For every fatha, you are opening your jaws. But yeah. Sad is heavy. Again, you are not circling your lips, but you are just lifting your tongue up to make this sad heavy. Sal, and give tawassut here. Sal. And then for kasra, give E sound. Li. And the sound will be short with kasra. Li. Li. Again, this the length should be same for this li and this li. Rod. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. And heavy ra sounds like a ra. And again, you are lifting your tongue up, but you are not circling your lips at all. Keep your lips straight. Rod. B for kasra, give E sound. Ka. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws, and there's no humps at all in kaf when kaf is mutaharrika. When kaf is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, zabar, zer, pesh, you are not giving humps. Ka, very clear and a light sound. Ka, when makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Now you're circling your lips. So fatha open jaws, attach it noon. Here the sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. You are giving idhar here because after noon sakin, the ha is coming. Ha is among throat letters. One ha from your throat for fatha open jaws. Give hums here and attach it. A raw will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound, and you are making raw heavy too because there is fatha before it. How فصل لربك وانحر. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra, give E sound, attach it. Noon will get sifa of Gunna. This Gunna is Akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, and then Fatha is very short. Na, for Fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Sha, 2 counts long. Ni, for Kasra, give E sound. A, Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound here. For Fatha open jaws, A, Ka, Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu, for dhamma, circle your lips. And ha should be from last part of your throat. It should not sound like this ha. No. This ha as ha, it has hums. But here you are giving, the sound is from last part of your throat. Hu, hu. Well, circle your lips for wow. The makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. Well, ab. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud. Ab. Ta. Ta is very sharp and light. Here, ta is light, but ra will be heavy. Why? Because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon here. And because of this fatha, ra will be heavy. Taru. Ta will be light, but ra will be heavy. Taru. You're lifting your tongue up to make this ra heavy. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.